Hi there, my name is William Becker and I will be showing you my application. In this video, I will be detailing the design considerations, the implementation, and the critique. Budget is an application that targets university students who struggle with maintaining their budget. It helps them figure out what expenses they need to pay and also what income they receive to make sure that they don't overspend in a monthly given period. Once the user opens the application, they will be displayed with a splasher screen with an animation, which will instantly then direct them to the main menu as displayed. As displayed in the main menu, we have used a dark blue color with gold buttons to make sure that the buttons and the background do not contrast one another. Additionally, as shown, the animation will go through adjectives that would describe the application as a whole for user comfort and effortless, and just to make sure that the user understands that the application is simple and easy to use. Once entering into an existing account, if the user is already signed in and has not logged out, the user will be directed straight into their account where they will be able to see the home page, which will display their user image, homepage, expenses, income, my profile, about us, settings, and logout. These are all different features and pages that the user can direct using this navigation bar. Furthermore, the user may be able to create an account, and when creating an account, we'll type in a username, so user@me.com, a password which must be 6 figures or characters long, minimum, and then create an account. Once creating an account, they will be able to upload an image. So the camera took this photo earlier, which will be displayed here. Then they'll be able to type in a name, a last name, their age. Let's put 23, gender, male, and then number. We'll just put we'll put several digits just to make sure. And then we'll insert that information. The user then will have their image displayed as mentioned previously, and again, all the other options. The user may also edit their profile by going to My Profile, where they can change the information and it will automatically be updated on Firebase as displayed here. If the user has not logged in already, the user may press existing account and type in their account information, which was saved into authentication in the Firebase and which will display all their information. If the user wishes to add an expense into their monthly budget, all they would have to do is direct themselves to the navigation bar, click on expenses. It will display that they're already nothing into it, unless they've already got stuff in the expenses. They would be able to add an option, select an item from the already set list. So we'll choose, let's go charity, choose £100 or a month, save it to the database, and then go into expenses and homepage, and then it will be displayed here. Furthermore, if they would want to additionally update their pie chart, all they would have to do is add another item such as entertainment, another £150, let's say, add it, and then the information would be automatically updated where the user will be able to view it as either in pounds or in percentages. If the user would like to log out of their account, all they would have to do is then click log out and they would be redirected back to the main menu. As shown in the Firebase, the user@me account has been inputted and loaded up into the database with its own user identification code where you can locate other information, such as if we enter real-time database and enter into user, it has automatically updated the information And if user would like to change the information, as mentioned prior, all they would have to do is enter in their new information and update it, and it would automatically update. In addition to this, the user will be able to view their budget, which has been stored in the database, by opening up their account and an owner created key that would be loaded into the application, which is again saved with a specific date and the item and the month and the ID code and also the amount for later bringing back into the application. Each user's image will be stored in a storage database in the Firebase under users/ and into their image user ID plus profile.jpg. And as you can see, the image is saved here. If a user would like to update the image as displayed here, all the user would have to do is click upload image, download a particular file, click on the file, and it would automatically override the information. So if we reloaded the page now, the image has been changed. If we had time in the future, I would have implemented firstly 2 or 3 pie charts that would display firstly the monthly expenses as displayed here, income, monthly income as displayed throughout the income section, where you can also input specific money where you'll be making money. And also what I would be adding is a third pie chart that would display the overall comparison between expenses and income that would help the user see how much money they would be using out of their total income to calculate whether they're overspending or underspending.